これ、それ、あれ、どれ。In this lesson, you will be able to point something and tell about that, and be able to ask which. For example, 私の家はあれです。My house is that one. Demonstrative これ、それ、あれ。これ means this one. それ means that one. あれ means that one over there. これ、それ、あれ are used according to the distance between the speaker and the object. Image of これ、それ、あれ one. When the speaker and the listener are distant from each other, これ is close to the speaker. それ is close to the listener. あれ is far from the both. Image of これ、それ、あれ two. When the speaker and the listener are close each other. これ is close to the speaker and the listener. あれ is so far from them. And それ is between これ and あれ。どれどれ means which. For example, 佐藤さんの家はどれですか? Which one is Mr. Sato's house? Example sentences. これは日本語の教科書です。This is a Japanese textbook. それはグエンさんの帽子です。That one is a Mr. Nguyen's cap. あれはシュミットさんの家です。That one is Miss Schmidt's house. パクさんの車はどれですか? Which is Miss Park's car? あれです。That one is. The next lesson is この、その、あの、どの。See you in the next lesson.